1. Keep the toilet closed while flushing. I know it might seem like a small thing, but keeping your toilet lid closed while flushing can make a world of difference in your bathroom's cleanliness. Here's a not-so-fun fact I learned that changed my flushing habits forever. When you flush with the lid up, tiny water droplets containing bacteria can spray up to 6 feet away from the toilet. Yes, you read that right, 6 feet. That means these microscopic droplets can land on your sink, countertops, and even your toothbrush. By simply closing the lid before you flush, you create a barrier that prevents these droplets from escaping and settling on surfaces around your bathroom. It's such a small change, but it can significantly reduce the spread of germs and keep your bathroom cleaner for longer. 2. Use bamboo toilet paper to reduce dust. The type of toilet paper you use can make a significant difference in how clean your bathroom stays. I remember the days when I'd wipe down my bathroom surfaces only to find a fine layer of dust settling back within hours. That's when I discovered the magic of bamboo toilet paper. Unlike traditional toilet paper made from wood pulp, bamboo toilet paper produces virtually no dust when torn. This means less cleaning for you and a cleaner bathroom overall. But the benefits don't stop there. Bamboo toilet paper is also free from harmful forever chemicals often found in regular toilet paper. These chemicals can not only be detrimental to your health, but also contribute to the buildup of grime in your bathroom. Switching to bamboo toilet paper was a game changer for me. Not only did I notice less dust around my toilet area, but I also felt good, knowing I was using a more eco-friendly and healthier option. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I keep my bathroom tidy" in the comments below. And if you're ready to declutter your home, don't forget to join my 7-day declutter challenge, link in the description. 3. Switch from bar soap to body wash. If you're still using bar soap in your shower or at your sink, it might be time for a change. I used to be a die-hard bar soap fan until I realized how much soap scum it was leaving behind. Here's where body wash comes to the rescue. By switching from bar soap to body wash, you can significantly reduce soap scum buildup in your bathroom. Body wash doesn't leave behind the same residue as bar soap, which means less scrubbing for you in the long run. I made this switch a few years ago, and the difference was noticeable almost immediately. My shower walls stayed cleaner for longer, and I didn't have to scrub my sink as often. But the benefits of body wash don't stop at cleanliness. Many body washes come in a variety of delightful scents that can leave your bathroom smelling fresh all day long. Plus, they often contain moisturizing ingredients that are great for your skin. It's like turning your daily shower into a mini spa experience. 4. Quickly clean sink and vanity after each use. After brushing my teeth or washing my face, I take just a few seconds to wipe down the sink and vanity with a soapy hand or a quick swipe with a cloth. It seemed silly at first, but I soon realized how much easier it was to maintain a clean bathroom this way. By doing this quick cleanup, you prevent water from building up and potentially causing mold or mildew. You also stop soap residue and toothpaste from drying and becoming harder to clean later. I keep a small microfiber cloth hanging near my sink for this purpose. After I'm done using the sink, I quickly wet the cloth, add a drop of soap, and give everything a quick wipe. It takes less than a minute, but it keeps my sink and vanity looking spotless all day. 5. Spray your shower curtain with bleach solution. If you have fabric or plastic shower curtain, you're probably familiar with the struggle of keeping it clean and mold-free. I used to dread the sight of those black spots creeping up from the bottom of my shower curtain, signaling it was time for another wash or replacement. That was until I discovered this simple yet effective trick: spraying the bottom of your shower curtain with a bleach solution once a month. It sounds too easy to be true, but trust me, it works wonders. Here's what I do. I mix 1 part bleach with 4 parts water in a spray bottle. After each shower, I make sure to spread out the curtain to allow it to dry properly. Then, once a month, I spray the bottom portion of the curtain where mold and mildew tend to accumulate with the bleach solution. I let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse it off. There you have it. 5 things to always have a clean bathroom. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to join my free 7-day declutter challenge to take your decluttering journey to the next level. Click the link in the description to sign up.